I want you to do an activity today before you go to sleep. Just sleep just before you're going to sleep. Think of one thing that you actually want in life. It could be anything. Your dream car, your dream house, your dream vacation, whatever, your dream university. Think about it and do not even question slightly that how is that going to happen. Do not question what will happen if you go there. Do not question anything around it. Just imagine it, and imagine it in as detail as you can. Imagine it fully. For example, uh if you want to dream about your university, okay, or dream university you want to go to, so start like this. I am going to that university. I've already taken my admission. This is the uniform I'm wearing. I'm going around talking around with people. Do not question how am I going to talk around with people. See, the every step you take with your imagination, you are going to have questions. That is how our mind works, because anything we have not done, we are not used to it. So every time we have not done anything, and see, that's the whole point of dreams, right? Dreams are not something you have already done. So at every time, every step you take, every question you pick up, you are going to have this, that how am I going to do this. Let's go ahead. Do not talk think about how am I going to talk to people. Imagine I'm talking to a lot of people like me. I have a good group of friends. I'm doing good at my grades. How am I going to do it? I don't know anything about the subject. I've never done good in my life. Does not matter. That's the whole point of dream. If you're dreaming, dream fully. That's all I want to say. Once you imagine and dream fully, there will come a point when you actually feel good about that lifestyle. You feel like you've achieved it. See, the very important part that blocks us from wanting what we do, from getting what we want, is this is questioning. And maybe not, again I'm going to say this, maybe not consciously, you don't realize it, but you do question it somewhere or the other. So the only way to actually sit and uh, feel the way you would feel if you had achieved your dreams is this. Okay, now once you have felt it, the bliss of having your dream life, what is stopping you from going there? Your efforts. You can always work on them. But the thing is, once you start dreaming big, and I'm telling this from my experience, the day I truly experienced the closest feeling that I would get if I was living my dream, was the feeling of being unstoppable, was the feeling of thinking that nothing in this world could stop me, not at least if I want to achieve that dream. If I want to live the way these people are living, nothing can stop me from it. Another aspect that comes with this is your current situation. See, whatever you're facing right now, it does not matter whether it's closer to your dream, it does not matter whether it's far away from your dream. But if you think that your reality is never going to change, think about it again, because whatever you do, whatever is you dream about, is exactly, consciously or subconsciously, you do that. You might have heard this a lot of times, uh, try not to think about it so you won't be nervous about it, especially in situations you are going to be nervous. The whole logic behind it is that even if you are the most confident person in the room all the time, just thinking about you being nervous, not even thinking about that the act you're going to do or whatever it is, but only thinking that you are nervous, or thinking that you're going to be nervous or you're going to mess up, will come into your actions and you will mess up. So let's just stop at that. Do not stop, do not question your dreams, okay? Do not question how or why or when is it going to happen. You just believe in it, and this is the key to believing, not questioning. Every time you think about how is this going to happen, that belief has an hindrance already. So stop questioning it. That is step 1 to actually going ahead with your dreams. Now, why am I talking about this in so much detail? Because, like I said, the day I experienced the closest thing about The day I experienced the closest feeling to my dream, I was like, I need to have this. I do not care. It was exactly, and also let me tell you, it does not matter what people think about it. For example, if my dream is, like I said, to go to that particular university, and you are in a situation where you're like, nobody would be happy if I go to that university, nobody would be happy if I take that degree, nobody would be happy if I go out of this city or whatever, whatever, does not matter. That again comes to how. Everything that you think will come to how, why, when, what. Remove these questions and you will see how good it is to feel your dreams. And gonna say this line: make your dreams your addiction, and make your habits to get there your obsession. And mark my words, sooner or later, without questioning, you will get there. Mark my words, because I've tried it, I've got there. Now, the step two to this is, once you reach there, how easy or hard it is for you to actually sit and enjoy it. It will only happen if you've already thought about it enough before. If you're gonna go there and question, do I really deserve this? Do I really deserve this good friends? Oh my god, she's too good to me. I can't do this. It's your dream to be there. So once you see, it's a top down process. You dream, you believe, you dream, you get there, and you stick around, and then you can dream of more. Also remember, dream does not have to have an end. Just because you ended something right now, for example, if your dream was to get into the university, you got into the university, think about what next. I want to top this class. Think about what next. And do not let anyone tell you that your dreams are too big. Your dreams are not too big. There will be a new video coming about it, why you should not think that your dream is too big. But once you have actually felt good about what you have in your life, it's much easier for you to sit there when it comes in your reality and handle it and then dream even bigger. I think this should be enough for you to dream enough and big enough, and believe before you start dreaming.